What is up, Propel Church? Andrew here with the Reach Company. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over your hub, your Ion Propel area. So we're starting out here. You can see this is what people see when they visit this area of the site. Most of them will be viewing on a phone, so it'll look a little different than this, obviously. But we have different cards here that they can interact with, that you can add. And we have this I'm New Connects card. That's the first thing that someone sees when they come to their site besides the You Belong Here header. And so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add cards that will go here, how to order cards and arrange cards that will go here, and change the, I just said order cards, huh? So we're going to go ahead and go to the dashboard area. Here on the back end, I've created this post type called Hub Cards. And so when you click on Hub Cards, you can see all the ones that you have available here already. And I'm going to show you how to add a new one. I'm sorry for this little bar that keeps popping up. I'm just going to leave them alone. And so to get going, we're going to click on Add New. And this is going to pull up some really simple fields that you guys can fill in. And here we're going to call this card Baptism. We just want it to say baptism, or better yet, let's call it Get Baptized. Get baptized. I like it when it's like an actionable step, like get baptized. And so here we can put something like learn more about getting baptized at Propel Church. And so we want the button text to say get baptized. I like that. And then the button link. You can just paste in the URL, but I'm gonna make it go to https:/propel.church/baptism. Right now, this will take you to some. Well, I'll show you. This will take you to your current site, but I think your current page is like get baptized or something like that. I don't know that this will probably bring up. Oh, look at that! Just bring it up. But once we move the site over from my development site, you see up here at the top, it's propel.myreach.site. Once we move it to the new site, this will go to the actual baptism page. And so this is all the relevant information. Then we scroll down here to hub card image. If you're using this for the first time, you can drag this to wherever you want to. I would put it right here, hub card image, right? And so we're going to select. No, we're not going to select. We're going to go to media library. And I have a picture of Pastor Nick baptizing some kid, and here it is right here. I'm going to set that hub card image, and then I'm going to click Publish. And I'm going to go over here, and it should populate down here in this empty space. Quit popping up little bars. Oh, no, it populates right here in the front that says Get Baptized. And so that's how you add a card. Now we're going to deal with ordering the cards. And so I'm going to go back to all hub cards. And as you can see, it throws Get Baptized right there. I'm going to click Reorder. I'm going to keep I'm New at the top. I'll show you in a second. I have I'm New set to not show in this area right here, and I'll show you how. And then you can order them however you want to right here. And click Update. So I have Get Baptized Next, Propel Groups Giving. Get Baptized Next. I'm going to refresh, and this should change to Propel Groups. See, change to Propel Groups, so you can order them that way. Now I'm going to go through some of the stuff on this page. So I'm going to hit that. Even though these show up right here, you don't edit them here. You always edit them from the hub cards, and then it populates dynamically here on the front. You can change out this picture with another one if you would like. It's just an image module like everywhere else on your site, and you can change the image that you show here. I rather like this first time. This is a card as well, so it's just using a post grid like anything else. And then down here, it's the same. The way that I like to do things too is maybe you're going through a time where you want to hide something or something like that. And so what I do is I have match all hub cards except. And so you can see right here that I have I'm New, and I have it blocked off right here. So it says matching every hub card except the I'm New hub card because we have it here at the top and it doesn't need to show here in the bottom. Some more examples of some stuff you can use this for is if you have like a conference or if you have an event that you want to highlight, you can make a card just for that event, and you can have it redirect. You can have it redirect towards like an event page, like the actual event, or you can have the button link going to the, what am I trying to say? You can have the button link going to like your registration form for that. But that's hub cards in a nutshell. You can use this section however you would like. Remember that you guys are focusing using this on Sunday mornings, so it allows you to be a little more strategic with how you are doing that. And people can also access your Propel Hub. It's doing that because I just exited the builder. Sorry about that. People can also access Propel Hub through right here, and I'm sure by the time we launch the site, it'll be redirected from ionpropel.com or whatever domain you guys have for that specific thing. Thank you guys.